So here's the thing. I got this beautiful tennis bracelet as a gift, and I just couldn't figure out how to open it. So I went online looking for help, thinking there must be a quick video showing how it works. And I found a bunch of different clasp types, all looking slightly different, and none of them seemed to match mine. After a little trial and error, and with some pointers from those videos, I finally managed to open it. So I thought I'd make this quick tutorial for anyone else out there who's staring at their bracelet, feeling just as stuck. Most tennis bracelets come with what's called a box clasp. It's this rectangular part right here that locks one end of the bracelet into the other. Many of them also have extra safety latches on the side, but mine doesn't. Now, let's get started. Turn your bracelet inside out and look for the release tab or button on the box clasp itself. Pull that or gently push it upwards to release the inner tongue part of the clasp. The bracelet should now come apart smoothly. You can close it again the same way. Don't use force. These clasps are delicate. If it doesn't open easily, double-check for safety latches or hidden catches. Take your time. And that's it. I hope this helps someone who's as puzzled as I was. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple jewelry tips and tutorials.